Hi, it's El Macho. Today we're going to be making some very simple and delicious peanut butter cookies. Let's start. You will need a bowl, sugar with measuring tools, chocolate chips, peanut butter, a pan with parchment paper, a fork, a scooper, and an egg. So the first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now it is already at 350, so I'll just press start. And now it will start preheating. So while the oven's preheating, it's a good idea to get your peanut butter. And you want 1 cup of peanut butter, so I have a half cup measurement here. And it doesn't really seem to fit all that well. It's not even filling. I don't even know. So after some minor complications, we have our half cup of peanut butter. So we're gonna need another half cup after this, but just get it. It's very sticky. This is I knew this peanut butter part would be hard. Okay. There probably is an easier way to do this, and I'm not entirely sure what that is. That never happened. Oh my god, just stop it here. So here we have our 1 cup of peanut butter in the bowl. Now next we're gonna take our sugar, and this will be a lot easier than the peanut butter. So this is once again a half cup measurement. So I'll just get actually, that is pretty good. So, half cup. So, I think that's another pretty good measurement there. So, that is 1 cup of sugar. So the next step is to take your egg and just very gently crack the egg. No, I can't do this. Not like. I'm gonna make a mess of this one. Cracked an egg! Sorry about that. So now that our egg is cracked, we can take and pour it into our mixture. So next you want to mix your mixture. Now these are gonna make great cookies. We should add the chocolate chips now. Just keep mixing it, make sure all the peanut butter and stuff gets covered with sugar. So, now that everything is mixed, you get your handy cookie scooper and not too much. Just get it nice. So next we just do a little fork pressing, just like that. Just kind of keeps the cookie flat. Just very gentle with the fork. That one was a bit much. I'll do it a bit lighter. Lime. I'll just get our trusty knife. Oh, I just cut it in half an apple. Oh. There. And now we put our cookies in the oven for 6 minutes. Be careful to not overcook. Sure. Safe. Mitten. Now, it is very hot in here. Timer for 6 minutes. And now that will count down. And now we will take our cookies, put them on the rack, and we will enjoy. I think they're warm. They're not too hot, not too cold. Just nice. They're really good. It has the nice, what I really like in a cookie is crunchy outside, soft inside. This is exactly that. It tastes amazing. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. As always, I'll put the recipe in the description below so you can try it yourself. And I'll see you next time.